Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here is to open up a web browser. It could be on your phone, your Windows device, or any other devices that has a browser. Alright, once you have it open, just type in accounts.google.com. Once done, hit on enter. If you haven't signed in yet, it will require you to sign in or log in. Alright, now once logged in, it will automatically redirect you to this page. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and go to security right here at the left pane. Click on that, and then you're going to want to scroll down, alright, until you see the section called your devices. Once you have it located, just click on this hyperlink right here which says manage all devices. Click on that. And as you can see here are the list of devices that is signed in to your account. And as you can see here, I have signed out any other devices that I've signed in lately. So to do this, for example here, this one, I'm going to click on this device. It could be your phone or any other device. If it's your phone, it will state the model of your phone right here. Like say for example, right here, all right? So for example, I'm going to log out my Google account on this phone. Just go ahead and click on it. And as you can see here, there's an option to sign out. Click on that. Once done, there's nothing else to do and you're good to go. And that is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.